Let's analyze a scenario about project management communication. A project manager carefully tracked project performance metrics, but the project still went over budget and schedule. The project manager diligently measured and documented performance metrics. However, these measurements were simply filed away without proper communication. This led to key stakeholders being surprised when the project went over budget and fell behind schedule. Let's examine possible solutions to this situation. Option A. The project manager should have reached out to the team earlier to discuss ways of improving their performance. Option B. The project manager should have saved these files in a more accessible location. Option C. These measures should have been communicated to key stakeholders as they became available. Option D. The key stakeholders should have been more involved in decision-making during the project. The correct answer is C. These measures should have been communicated to key stakeholders as they became available. Regular communication of performance metrics allows stakeholders to take corrective action early, make informed decisions, and avoid surprises. Remember, effective project management isn't just about collecting data. It's about ensuring that information flows to the right people at the right time